Hello, my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I welcome you here again in this discussion. And today's topic it is close packed structures. And this topic it is from the chapter solid state. We know that in solids the constituent particles are close packed and hence there is very minimum vacant space in the solids. Now let us suppose that the constituent particles are identical hard spheres which make or build the three-dimensional structure of the solid. And for this let us discuss the close packing in three steps. These three steps are: the first one it is the close packing in one dimension, second close packing in two dimensions, and the third one is close packing in three dimensions. We have to discuss these three one by one. First one, close packing in one dimension. There is only one way of close packing in one dimension, and that way is to arrange the spheres in a row like this. And in this case each sphere touches the other. Here the coordination number in this case it is 2, and the coordination number it is the nearest neighbors of a particle. Consider this sphere. Suppose this sphere, the nearest neighbor of this sphere it is here at the left side 1 and right side it is the another one. So here coordination number it is 2, and this can be shown by this consider this one. Suppose these are the spheres and these spheres are arranged in a row. Here the coordination number it is 2 because the each sphere here, suppose this one touching the other two. The next one it is the close packing in two dimensions, and this close packing in two dimensions can be generated by stacking the rows of close packed spheres and can be done by two ways. Number one way it is by placing the second row in such a way so that the spheres of this row are exactly above those of the first row. You see this figure here. In this case, suppose this is the first row, this is the second row, this one is the third row, a number of rows may be there. In this case the spheres of the second row, suppose this one, these are the spheres of the second row. These spheres are just above the spheres of the first row. These are the first row spheres, and here these spheres are just above the spheres of this first row. Now come to this third row. You will see that the spheres of this third row are just above the spheres of the second row. Here, since all the rows are having the similar arrangement, therefore suppose this one it is the row A, then it is also the row A. Next one is row A, others that are also the row A. Therefore the arrangement it will be A type arrangement, and in this case the coordination number is 4. For this consider this sphere. In this case these 4 spheres 1 2 3 and this 4 touching this sphere, therefore the coordination number is 4. And now if the centers of these spheres are joined in this way, a square is formed, and therefore this type of packing is called square close packing into dimensions. And this square close packing into dimension can be shown as, suppose these are the spheres here, first row, second, and this one it is the third row. The spheres of the second row are just above the spheres of the first row. This one it is just above the first, this one is also just above here. The spheres of the third row, in this case suppose here it is the, this sphere it is just above the sphere of the second row, here is also. In this case the coordination number is 4. Consider this sphere, this one. You will see that the 4 spheres, this and this and this, these 4 spheres are touching this middle sphere, and therefore the coordination number is 4. Now if the centers of these spheres, these 4 spheres are joined in this way by a straight line here, from here to here and then from here to here, in this way, then a square is formed. Therefore this type of packing, it is called the two-dimensional square close packing. Next it is the next way is by placing the second row on the first in such a way so that the spheres of the second row fit in the depressions of the first row. Now consider this figure. Suppose this is the first row, these are the spheres. This is the second row, these are the spheres. Third row, fourth row, other rows may be there. Now you see here the spheres of the second row. Suppose this is the sphere of the second row. It fits in the depression of the first row. Similarly, suppose this is the sphere of second row, it also fits in the depression of the first row. In the same way, when you will see this third row, you will see that the spheres of the third row here, these are the spheres, they fit in the depression of the second row. Similarly the fourth one, the fourth row, here it is, the spheres are in the depressions of the third row. So here the arrangement is, suppose this first row it is A type and the second row it is different from this first one, then suppose it is the B type. Now come to this third one, this third row, you will see that this third row arrangement, it is having similarity with the first row, therefore it is also the A type. And this fourth row is having the similarity with this second, therefore if it is the first row it is the A, then it is the B, and the third one is having similarity with this A, therefore this third one is also A, and this fourth one having the similarity with this second one, then it is the B. So arrangement it will be AB 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 type, and in this case the coordination number is 6. Here consider this sphere. These 6 spheres, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these 6 spheres touch this sphere which is at the middle. Therefore coordination number in this case is 6. Now if the centers of these 6 spheres are joined by straight line in this manner, one to another, then a hexagon is formed, and therefore this type of packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. This can be shown in this way. Suppose this is the first row, this one it is the second row in this way. Suppose this is the third row in this way. The fourth one, suppose like this, in this way. Now you see this first row, these are the spheres. Second row, these are the spheres. The second row, in this second row, the spheres fit in the depressions of the first row. Similarly, the spheres of this third row fit in the depressions of the second row. Here suppose this first row it is the A type, and this second row it is different from this first one, and suppose it is the B. This third one, this third row is similar to this first one, and then this third row it is also A type, and in the same way this fourth row having similarity with the second one, therefore it is also B type. Therefore the arrangement in this case it will be AB 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 type arrangement. Now the coordination number for this one, you consider this sphere, this one, this sphere, it touches with the other 6 spheres, or we can say that these 6 spheres are touching here. Suppose this sphere 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the coordination number in this case is 6. Now if the centers of these 6 spheres are joined in this way, like this, here a hexagon will be formed. Therefore this type of arrangement or packing, it is called the two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. The third one, it is the close packing in 3 dimensions. It will be discussed later. Okay, thank you, take care and have a good day.